is my factory 4L60 neutral safety switch. I got it zip tied to the torsion bar. But you have to have, unless you take this room apart and you hot wire it or bypass it, I figured it was simpler to just plug up the neutral safety switch, put it in neutral, so I can crank the 350 from the ignition, use the factory wires, etc. I just got the 4L60 plug. That's the big plug, and that's the I think speed sensor. I just got those hanging. So, I mean, this can go for anybody that's trying to do an LS swap, small block swap, or